Hey Virgos, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be from the 1st to the 15th of May. We're going to be looking at your current situation and we'll see what can you expect in these 15 days for you. If the current situation resonates, then there is a high possibility that the 15 days that I see will also resonate with you. And I'm going to be ending it with a couple of oracle cards from the universe as a message of guidance for you guys. Alright, so let's look at the current energies for you, Virgos. Ace of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, the High Priestess. Okay, wow. So presently, you're aware of something, you're aware of a particular situation that you feel very attached to, that you feel very you feel the emotions of love towards this situation, but maybe you're not making the moves. Four of Pentacles, yeah. Could be that this situation or this opportunity has appeared for you and you're not sure whether you want to let go of your initial self. Okay, maybe this situation is calling you to open up and you're not sure whether you can open up. Okay, I am seeing for some of you that you could be married and this situation has appeared and you're scared to take that leap towards something that you desire. You definitely feel a lot of emotions for this, but you're not sure whether you should do this. Your morals are coming into the picture, and maybe this will disrupt your family or just in general tradition, society, whatever. Family, when I say, it can be tradition, society, etc. Anything. Okay? And you're just not sure if you can do this, basically. So you're just trying to hold back. Okay? That's the present situation that I'm picking up. So let's see what to expect from May 1st to the 15th. Six of Pentacles, wow, beautiful energy. The Magician, Knight of Swords, and Five of Wands. Okay, so I see maybe this could be an offer from a person. Chariot and the Page of Wands. I'll just take these, and one more I have, which is the Six of Wands. Okay, so basically what I see here is this person who has kind of offered you this thing, okay, has good intentions in mind, okay, but you are in the mode of resistance. You're not sure if you can take this up. Okay, I am seeing that eventually you will walk this path because this is destined. I'm seeing the Chariot and the Page of Wands followed by the Six of Wands. So there is an initial awakening in you. You really want to do this somehow, but you're resisting it. There is these four cards here is giving me that vibe that your mind, your thoughts are not aligned right now. You're just not sure. Maybe you're thinking that this is just too good to be true. Can this even happen? Okay, and you're dwelling in that energy, which is a little complicated. Okay, you could be getting angry and kind of cutting it off sometimes, but I don't think this person is going to listen because that's how they are probably. I see you mentally a little conflicted. You just want to be in your comfortable space. Okay, and that's probably the reason why you are not allowing yourself to open up to this. That's the reason. You're scared, you don't know if you should do this, you feel a little uncomfortable, I would say, probably, and you just don't want to show your vulnerable side, okay? And you just want to be the way you are. But I'm seeing that this is not going anywhere, okay? So if you're thinking this person will give up, then no, you're highly mistaken. All right, let's see a couple of more cards from here. What else can you expect? Six of Cups. Knight of Swords again, yeah. And the Four of Swords. Yeah, this is to do with some sort of an attachment I'm getting. You will have this tendency of cutting it off sometimes. I mean, this person has a lot of love and stability to offer you. The number 6 could be significant for you guys. But there is a perception, an idea, or a way of thinking which you are so attached to that you just can't let go of that for this. But I don't see this person giving up either. And I see you in these 15 days trying to resist, trying to combat it, but I don't know if you'll be successful in doing that. Okay? So, I mean, I have this card, I'm going to show it. Moth Spirit, surrender now. So, you can't fight something that is bigger than you. Okay? Let's see what else. Let's pick up a couple of cards from the universe for you. Here I'm actually seeing that this will move forward even if you resist it. Okay, let's see. What is the guidance from the universe to you? Porcupine Spirit, time for beginner mind. Yes, and Owl Spirit, you see clearly now. So you are probably not wanting to look at what you're seeing, like as in pay heed to what you're seeing, and that's not how it can go on. Okay, you have to pay attention to what you're looking at, right? I mean, it's right in front of you, and this is a new start in your life. Okay, don't resist it so much, and it's like a worthless effort. Like I mean, it's a useless, rather I would say, it's a useless effort because. I'm sorry about my words if you're feeling offended, but that's how it is. I mean, you're trying to fight something that you can't. You can't fight it. Okay? So that is the message that I'm getting for you, that stop fighting it, because this is way too big for you to fight with. Okay? Alright, so that's what I have for you, Virgos. Let me know if this gave you the clarity that you were looking for and if this reading made sense to you. Also, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'm so sorry. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. And let me know. Take care. Bye.